Looking for easy and tasty appetizers to impress your guests? Welcome to a culinary journey where simplicity meets taste. Today we're talking about 10 easy-to-prepare appetizers that are not just delicious but also a surefire way to win over any guest. From cheesy delights to spicy treats, these appetizers are all about creating a memorable dining experience right in your kitchen. So get your apron ready and your taste buds excited. Stay tuned for a list of appetizers that will make your guests' taste buds tingle with excitement. Dive right into the first half of our list of appetizers. First up, we have the classic stuffed mushrooms. These bite-sized delights are packed with a rich combination of cream cheese, garlic, and fresh herbs. The earthy mushrooms meld beautifully with the creamy filling, creating a taste sensation that is simply irresistible. Next, we have mini quiches, a quintessential party staple. These petite pastries are filled with a savory blend of cheese, eggs, and bacon. The buttery crust complements the hearty filling, providing a delightful contrast of textures. Our third appetizer is a timeless favorite, shrimp cocktail. This dish pairs succulent, chilled shrimp with a tangy cocktail sauce. The result is a refreshing blend of sweet and sour flavors that will surely tantalize your taste buds. Fourth on the list are caprese skewers. These skewers feature ripe cherry tomatoes, creamy mozzarella, and fresh basil leaves drizzled with a sweet balsamic glaze. Finally, we have the ever-popular spinach dip. This creamy, cheesy dip is loaded with spinach and artichoke hearts, offering a deliciously indulgent treat. And that's just the beginning. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering appetizers. Let's continue our journey of culinary delights with the next 5 appetizers. The sixth one on our list is the classic deviled eggs. Creamy, tangy, and packed with flavor, these little gems are a hit at any gathering. All you need are eggs, mayonnaise, mustard, and a sprinkle of paprika. Next up, we have bruschetta, an Italian classic. Fresh tomatoes, aromatic basil, and a drizzle of olive oil on a crispy baguette slice make it a mouth-watering delight. Our eighth appetizer is the sweet and savory bacon-wrapped dates. The perfect blend of sweet dates and salty bacon is sure to leave your guests wanting more. Next, we have sliders, mini burgers, packed with flavor. Whether you go for a classic beef, chicken, or a vegetarian option, these are always a crowd pleaser. And finally, we have the elegant crab cakes. Delicate yet rich in flavor, these little cakes are a seafood lover's dream come true. Those were our top 10 easy and tasty appetizers to impress your guests. Now that you're equipped with these delightful appetizer ideas, you're all set to impress your guests. Remember, a wide variety of appetizers that are not only easy to prepare but also bursting with flavor can truly elevate any occasion. Be it a formal dinner party or a casual get-together, these dishes are your secret weapon to becoming the host with the most. Shop now and access exclusive deals. Find the link in the description. For more delectable recipes, check out our playlist. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Until next time, happy cooking!